Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar and the US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Aussie dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. NIO shares made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.3%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The US dollar traded in a narrow range and held just below a 12-week high reached earlier in the week, as traders digested comments from policymakers in the previous session. From the October to December third quarter, Honda's operating profit rose 35% to 379.8 billion yen, in line with the average estimate of 371.6 billion yen. Honda also announced a $336 million share buyback, saying it would purchase up to 0.7% of its own shares. Oil prices rose after Israel rejected a ceasefire offer from Hamas, as talks continued to try to end the Gaza conflict and wider Middle East tensions that have kept the market on edge since October.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1800 hours GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0700 hours GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0600 hours GMT. The Austrian industrial production will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.